Aquino to Aquino. Galing sa labas.
Yes.
Saksak for two.
Hindi na napigil yun, partner, na hindi na nakalain.
Mendoza, Ronnie Manzano, even this time they were started in the first game. And here's Stephen Howard.
Going to the top of the to defend against Howard. Oh, what a shot!
Yes. And
Marlo,
Marlo.
Marlo Aquino.
Howard.
Beautiful block para sa likod. Ito na.
Ito ang matchup. Howard kicks it out. Nasali the pass to Danny. Danny ay smothered by Marlo Aquino.
At may foul galing kay the skyscraper. Ito umubra that time yung running attack ng San Miguel. But still, partner, hindi nakascore ng layup ay San Miguel. It's still Aquino and Howard.
Let's take a look at this, mga kaibigan. Saruhan natin to.
Hundreds more outside, no? Na gusto makapasok dito sa Urdaneta Stadium natin. But unfortunately, this can only accommodate so much, no? Although libo-libo na sa loob dito, standing room only tayo rito sa loob ng Urdaneta. Ang tawag dito, Cultural and Sports Complex.
Yes, at
Kung di
hindi,
tayo nagkakamali.
at hindi lamang yan, Kinito. Umuulan nitong buong araw po ngayon dito sa Urdaneta City. At kanina nga sabi nga natin, tauhin kaya o kaya tutungo kaya yung mga fans ng PB. Pero kanina po, tanghali pa lamang ay marami nang kumakatok dito po sa ating bulwagan upang makapanood natin at masaksihan ito pong ating napakaganda laro. Game 2 po ito ng ating Championship Finals. Commissioner's Cup po sa pagitan ng San Miguel at Santa Lucia. Game na tayo sa ating third quarter. Danny Seagal only had 2 points in the first half. That he starts the ball rolling for San Miguel dito sa third quarter natin.
Halos hindi naglaro si Danny Seagal sa ating first half, no? Ito, sa pasimula ng San Miguel, kaagad meron siyang tira. Now, the second quarter, partner, 20-9 blast of Santa Lucia over San Miguel.
Another player down. Si Bernie Cheng.
Ito na naman yung outside shooting.
Ito, this time, Paulo Mendoza joining the fray. The second quarter, it was 3-point shooting time para po sa Santa Lucia with Chris Tan and Ronnie Manzano leading the way. But Paulo Mendoza, ito pa sa kanyang unang attack dito sa third quarter natin. Danny Ildefonso from deep left. And we're expecting to see more outside shots dito sa second half natin. Kinito.
Shootout ito, partner. No, for Santa Lucia, already with 5 3-point shots as against 2 for San Miguel. Both of those 3-point shots coming from Boy Bits Victoria.
Good hustle there by Olsen Rosella. At babalik ang bola dito sa San Miguel Beer. Game na po tayo sa third quarter natin. Lamang pa rin ang dalawa ang Santa Lucia, 34-32.
Partner, itong nakikita natin sa Santa Lucia, no? Yung kanilang defense in the backcourt for the ball carrier. No? Yung pressure nandoon. Ito, halos wala tayong nakita offensive rebound ng San Miguel. But now they have a chance to score again.
Ito, Ildefonso versus Marlo Aquino. Yun yung gustong-gustong matchup ng mga taga-Urdaneta ngayon. At nga, naisa katuparan niya doon sa huling play niya. But Danny Ildefonso pupunta ngayon sa free throw line for 2 gift shots. Matapos matawagan. Ito si Paulo Mendoza. Si Paulo Mendoza natawagan ng foul doon. Una pa lamang ni Paulo Mendoza. And Danny Ildefonso missing his first free throw.
Yan po yung sinasabi natin. Partner, walang awa itong ring natin, yung ring natin dito sa loob ng stadium. No? It's not a friendly ring. It doesn't give you the kind of bounce you want. Ito, dapat ringless. Yung swak na swak ng bola para pumasok.
Kaya sabi ko na, kapag low arc shot ka dito, magdasal ka na.
Wala shooter's bounce dito, partner.
High arc yung tira mo. At itong si Danny Ildefonso.
And that's why you have to respect the outside shooting of Santa Lucia.
Yes,
Bagamat hindi friendly ang ring dito. Nakakalimang 3-point shot ng Santa Lucia, and outside shooting is keeping Santa Lucia's head above water. So far in this game, 1 point na lamang ng Santa Lucia.
I remember earlier nung nag-warm up ito si Paulo Mendoza, iling-iling siya pagkat hindi nakikita niya, hindi maganda yung talbog ng bola. At ito sabi ko, Paulo, kailangan dito ringless dahil mahirap yung ring ngayon. Meanwhile, ito, San Miguel, nakapati dito. Almost 2 minutes gone by in the third quarter. Lamang-lamang ng isa ang Santa Lucia, 34-33. Good view of the action is Stephen Howard ng hinahang sa kanyang mintis.
Yun na naman ang galaw ni Stephen Howard, partner. He likes to post up on that side of the floor, and then he goes over to his strong side because he's left-handed at hindi siya talaga mapigil ng Santa Lucia. They foul him rather than give up the jump hook.
And here's Stephen Howard. He's averaging 70% from the free throw line. very decent numbers pero nagmintes sa kanyang unang attempt itong si Stephen Howard.
What a career Stephen Howard has had. From DePaul University in Illinois, he was an academic All-American, meaning to say he wasn't only good on the playing court,
Nag-aaral yan.
but he was also good in the classroom. Matalino itong Stephen Howard na ito. Kanya naman ang asawa niya, Pilipina. Kasi
Ginamit niya.
nakapili siya ng magandang asawa at saka Pilipina. Intelligent. Pagpipili.
Nagsama si Shoot and si Sensei firing from long distance from PLDT IDD range. Wala na naman. Tabla tayo, 34 all mga kaibigan. This is our fifth deadlock. Al Defonso, inside pass to Nick Velasco. And ang bola lalabas, last touch si Ansu Sensei. Bola pa rin ng San Miguel.
15 seconds sa shot clock nila. Talagang hindi makatakbo itong mga San Miguel. They can't get the transition game going.
Here's Nick Velasco. Stephen Howard asking for the ball. Howard against Marlo Aquino. Umbrella defense. Bagsak si Stephen Howard. Danny Seagal gives it up. The top down defense. Howard slamming it home. Will it count? No! It won't. It won't.
Pangalawa na yan, partner. San Miguel not able to beat the shot clock. Kanina nakita natin, Dwight Lago not able to get his three-pointer to count because it came after the buzzer at the end of the first half. Ito na naman, scramble for possession.
Tumingala, umangat, in-slam dunk. Pero it won't count. Wala na pong oras natin na sa atin.
Yes, nakita natin, 0 na.
And the slow-mo replay was brought to you by PLDT Teletipid. Tipid tawag dahil prepaid.
Partner, pasakit yun sa San Miguel because now 5 points vanishing because they took those shots outside of the legitimate shot clock time.
Daredevil drive there by Ansu Sensei. Oblivious of yung slick portion natin kanina. Kanina pa nila iniinda. Pero Ansu Sensei meron na pong 8 puntos. Medyo nagreklamo pa siya sa ating referee, Danny Seagal. Illegal defense call against Santa Lucia. Si Ansu Sensei ang nahuli doon.
Ito, manurin natin.
Ang ganda
Ito
ng
naman ang
crossover.
crossover. Yes! Woo!
And the Ansu Sensei floater doon at may top board pa dun si Ansu Sensei.
Well, Cesar was saying that there was contact after the release. The contact by Stephen Howard, and he wanted Howard to be called for the foul.
At yung shot clock winding down for San Miguel. Danny Seagal taking matters into his own hands. He was still complaining na merong foul doon. Pero ito si Danny Seagal, he has 6 points. Medyo late bloomer sa game natin. Ito si Danny Seagal.
Iba talaga ang kamay ni Danny Seagal, no? These hoops are not friendly, yet he was able to get a shooter's bounce somehow in connecting that shot.
Illegal defense call against San Miguel. Danny Seagal caught that time. Straddling yung ating free throw line. Ito, balikan natin dito yung piece of action dito. Yung pansinin niyo po yung action malayo sa bola. Itong si Stephen Howard and Marlo Aquino. Jostling for position. Yes. Alam mo, wrestling itong ginalaro itong dalawang to.
Dalawa sila nagtutulungan, partner, ha?
And Paulo Mendoza sinking the technical free throw. Malapit po tayo sa 8-minute mark ng ating third quarter. Lamang ng isa ang Santa Lucia, 37-36. Bola pa nila.
Alam mo, partner, napansin natin dito. Santa Lucia hardly going to the double team. Even to defend against Howard. Oh, what a shot!
Yes. And
Marlo Aquino.
Oh, and Marlo Aquino playing to the crowd's delight. And Marlo Aquino now has 11 points para po sa Santa Lucia. And is now pacing his squad. Sideline throw-in for San Miguel Beer. 3-point lead for Santa Lucia Realty.
Nakita natin yung puntos ni Marlo Aquino.
Velasco from deep left at hindi na
Outside
inabot na
shooting.
sa palpalo. Dito si Marlo Aquino. Ito, balikan na itong ating ball game. Kanina nung first half natin, nakala natin in the middle of the second quarter, ABB na San Miguel itong Santa Lucia. Pero strong finish by Santa Lucia in the second quarter. Meanwhile, 4 against 3, Danny in defense. Dennis Espino trying to stop Lakay. Ang bola. Dito na po San Rosella. They will reset their offense. That's very illegal defense.
Ito si Cesar, partner, talagang he gets lost in the defensive shuffle, partner. Naiiwanan niya yung kanyang bantay And he actually doesn't know when to double team Stephen Howard.
And of course, okay, you have too much respect dito kay Stephen Howard
Oo.
against Benny Cheng. Nahuli
Naiiwan
na.
niya yung batay niya eh.
Samantala mga kaibigan, mula po September hanggang October ay babaha ng beer. Pinito.
Aha.
Dahil San Miguel Beer Oktoberfest 2000 na. Abangan ang kick-off party on September 15 sa Ayala Budia Car Park. Nandun ang parokya ni Edgar, Eraserheads, The Dawn at iba pa. Nandun din ang SMB Barkada headed by Bernard Palanga and the sexy Joel Pelaz. Kaya makita-kita na lang tayo doon. Don't forget, September 15, 12 hours of Inulan Music Marathon. Labas yung tira doon ni Daniel Defonso, ball top to and Stephen Howard and Marlo Aquino. Kanina pa natin binabagay. Kanina earlier you saw scene itong Marlo Aquino and Stephen Howard jostling for position. Alam mo, mahaba pa itong serye na talagang magkakakilala itong dalawang to.
I think so. They're getting to know
This
each
is only
other
game 2.
very well.
Ng ating championship series. Under 7 minutes to play. Enzo Cese to Danny Espino against Danny Ildefonso. Too tight underneath. From deep left, Paulo Mendoza. Let's one fly. Yes!
Ito yung mga tumitira for Santa Lucia, yung kanilang mga gunners from medium range to long distance. And they've been finding the mark, partner.
Alam mo mga brothers, they were hardly fed nung first game natin. Paulo Mendoza, Ronnie Manzano, even Cristian, they were stifled in the first game. And here's Stephen Howard. Again, trash talking going on between Stephen Howard and Marlo Aquino. Stephen Howard, he has 12 points in the ball game.
Ito si Marlo is just playing a very cool game. Tinatawanan na si Stephen Howard. No? And he's trying to get Stephen Howard's goal.
Yes. Enzo Cese. 7 seconds to shoot. Enzo Cese. Espino to Aquino. Galing sa labas.
Yes.
Saksak for 2.
Hindi na napigil yun, partner. Hindi na nakalain. Kasi
Tuloy.
Marlo din ang sasaksak.
At tuloy itong salita nito si Marlo Aquino, Stephen Howard. At Danny Segal, titira doon, wala.
Air ball.
Oo, tinansin ng mga apektuhan dito. Baka pinapanggalat dito si Marlo Aquino si Stephen Howard. Meanwhile,
Beautiful block para sa likod. Ito na.
ito, matchup. Howard kicks it out. Masarap the pass to Danny. Danny is smothered by Marlo Aquino.
At may foul galing kay the Skyscraper. Ito umubra that time yung running attack ng San Miguel. But still, partner, hindi nakascore ng layup ay San Miguel. It's still Aquino and Howard.
Let's take a look at this, mga kaibigan. Saruhan natin to.
Anthony yung foul. Galing kay Marlo Aquino. Oh, a hard foul underneath.
We have a timeout. We'll be right back.
Motolite, pangmatagalan.
Yan po si Danny Ildefonso making his first free throw off that foul by Marlo Aquino. Yung dalawa pong featured players natin who hails from Pangasinan. Yan po si Danny Ildefonso. Marlo Aquino. So also good for Danny Ildefonso.
And looking at the score, partner, 43 all. Parang hindi natin napaniwala na yung game number 1 was won by one team by 28 points.
Yes.
Because very competitive and very even contest ito, partner.
Still a missing Benny Cheng getting the offensive rebound. Makakatulong yung offensive rebounding para sa Santa Lucia. Here's Benny Cheng again. The pass to Dennis Espino spinning. And the ball tapped by Stephen Howard. Rosella leading the break. He stops and pops. Walang lucky bounce that time talaga. Para dito kay Olsen Rosella. Balik na naman ang bola sa Santa Lucia.
And si Stephen Howard got hit on the nose kaya hindi siya umakyat for offense. This game has turned out to be very physical,
Correct.
partner. And I think both teams are feeling the pressure. Santa Lucia most especially because they know how important it is to win game number 2, partner, for them. Ang hirap ng patihado rito and go down 0-2 in this series.
And Enzo Cese firing from PLDT IDD range but missing. 4:46 to play sa ating pong third quarter. At tabla ang ating score, 43 all. Ang siyang deadlock po natin in this ball game. Stephen Howard against Marlo. Underneath, 3 green shirts against Stephen Howard. Yes, and Marlo Aquino against Stephen Howard.
Binaganan dito si Stephen
Oo.
Howard. Someone kicked him.
Oh,
Someone pushed a knee on Stephen Howard. I
Yes.
think it was Dennis Espino.
Stephen Howard was down and then 3 green shirts suddenly
Binaganan si Stephen
clambered
Howard, partner.
over Stephen Howard. Ayan.
Natuhod doon, partner. Natuhod doon si Stephen Howard. No? Well, first of all, let's set the table clear. No? Mainit na talaga ito si Stephen Howard. No? Any slight provocation, I think, will light him up.
Alam mo, balikan natin yung piece of action.
Ito.
Piece of action, no?
Series of picks, partner. Nakita natin. Ito, bungguan, physical play. Here's Stephen Howard. He's gonna get bottled up. Umangat. Uy! Stephen Howard actually had a wayward elbow.
Ayan,
on,
tatlo. Si
naku.
Marlo Aquino. Talagang
Ano yun?
diniinan pa.
Oo.
Ito si Stephen Howard.
And Marlo actually
And a slight
swung
scuffle.
with his elbow.
Slight scuffle ensued.
But
After
let's
that,
put it in perspective, partner. I thought Stephen Howard also threw a wayward forearm after he released the shot.
and
Yo, kita mo, oh.
another angle. And ito, jump ball tayo between Stephen Howard and Marlo Aquino.
I'm surprised, partner. Nobody got a technical in that play.
Ayun na, family call against Daniel Defonso.
Dapat yun, double technical, partner. Dennis Espino threw a knee. Very clear. Nakita natin yon at a prostrate Stephen Howard. Howard should have been given a technical. I think Marlo Aquino should have also been given a technical, along with Dennis Espino. Why the referees didn't call any technical, hindi ko alam.
Tuloy ang laro, mga kaibigan, with 4 minutes and 22 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. At si Osen Dasela matatawagan ng kanyang first personal foul and second team foul para sa San Miguel. And alam mo yung pangyayari niyo kay Marlo Aquino at kay Stephen, para bang iniintay na lang natin mangyari. Kahit kanina pa, first quarter pa lamang, binabanggit na natin yung mainitang aksyon sa pagitan nito si Marlo Aquino and Stephen Howard. Dennis Espino against Danny Ildefonso. Against, to be called Dennis Espino.
The action has turned very rugged here, no? Very physical. I think overly physical. And I think napapagbayaan ng referee ito. I just hate something here to happen untoward, like a free-for-all. Parang the referees are simply losing control. They should have given technicals earlier. Well, let's hope nothing untoward happens.
Yes.
So, pagkasan na lang natin.
Tapos maganda itong ating game 2 against Daniel Defonso against Marlo Aquino. And combat rebounding underneath. Napaupo po din si Marlo Aquino, ball tapped out. Mabalik yan sa San Miguel. Kristan will report back to replace Benny Cheng. Meron po tayong timeout, mga kaibigan. Painit ang aksyon mula po sa Urdaneta City. Huwag po kayong bibitaw. Magbabalik po kami.
Dunkin' Donuts, pasalubong ng bayan.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan para sa ating mga kaibigan dyan po sa Cebu. The Jollibee PBA Silver Memories, a photo memorabilia exhibit ay dadalhin po dyan sa Ayala Cebu and Waterfront Hotel starting September 17 up to 27. And now is your chance to catch real and interesting photos, curious and other memorabilia of your favorite MVP and superstars. The Jollibee PBA Silver Memories is also sponsored by WGNA Shipping and Waterfront Hotel.
Second servings para kay Ansu Sisay, partner. Siya nakakuha ng ball off his own miss sa offensive rebound ni Ansu Sisay. Meron siya dalawang pagkakataon ngayon to break this tie.
And Ansu Sisay only 8 points so far for a guy who's averaging close to 24 points per ball game.
Very quiet evening.
Mabulin ito si Ansu Sisay.
Naka 3-point shot na to, ha? He was able to score a 3-point shot in the first half.
Second coming up for Ansu Sisay, 9 points, 9 rebounds. Yes, and the second is good for Ansu Sisay. So 2-point lead for Santa Lucia, 45-43. Kanina matagal-tagal na pa ako. Sa 43 all yung ating scorer dito. With 3.5 to play here in the third quarter.
Ito napapansin natin, partner. Si Danny Siegel, halos hindi nabibigyan ng bola. No? And San Miguel needs to refocus its offense para makakuha ng bola. Ito si Danny Siegel. Hindi na palagi si Stephen Howard.
Jumper wall drop para kay Ansu Sisay. Both teams isa kataglaman sa basket of Daniel Defonso against Marlo Aquino, and he scores one.
Wait mo, reaction ng tao, partner, kung nakaka-score si Daniel Defonso.
At lalo na pag yung nabubuhay yung matchup ng against Marlo Aquino. Short.
Siya pa nakakuha ng rebound. Yung mga taga-Urdaneta, tuwan-tuwa rito. At ang kanilang favorite son is showing his wares. Ito ang sinasabi natin, Danny Seagal now has the ball.
Uy, illegal defense call against Paulo Mendoza.
Yan ang tinatawag natin na half-hearted double team.
O hilaw.
You cannot be tentative. Kung hindi, matatawagan ka ng illegal defense. At sure enough,
Hilaw yung pag-double team ni Paulo Mendoza sa technical free throw. At ito si Roderico Olsen Rosella po ang kukuha. In game 1, he played for 30 minutes. He scored 9 points. Pero nagmintis dito sa kanyang technical free throw. Meanwhile, ganito, it's time for our nasty refreshing face of the day. This most refreshing face of the day ay wala pong iba kundi si Amber Todd from Blythe, California. At isa pong fan ni Stephen Howard at ng San Miguel Beer. This most refreshing face of the day is brought to you by Nasty Iced Tea. Take the point. Yes!
jump hook! Galing kay Danny Ildefonso.
Against Marlo Aquino.
Nakakuha siya ng personal foul galing kay Marlo.
And
that's dalawa na yun, no? For Marlo.
Yes, and Daniel Ildefonso heating up dito po sa ating third quarter. He now has 13 points. But let's take a look at this. Danny Ildefonso, parang takam na takam siya pag si Marlo Aquino yung kumukuha sa kanya doon, Kinito eh.
Well, dapat banggitin din natin. Ito si Danny Ildefonso has been so consistent offensively. In 3 of his last 4 games, he scored 21 points in each of those 3 games.
And actually, these two centers, they're running number 1 and number 3 respectively in stat points. Number 2 ito si Dennis Espino eh. So talaga namang parehong Pangasinan, parehong may inaambisyon in this conference.
Oo.
Ito si Marlo at si Danny Ildefonso.
Ito naman yung matchup partner, no? Nick Velasco on Cisse playing the outside. Ito yung outside shot na naman.
Espino starting, missing. Marami na rin mintis. Ito si Dennis Espino from medium range. But he has 10 defensive rebounds. To complement this game. Here's Stephen Howard on a getaway. Yes!
Ito partner, hindi na masyadong naagapan ni Dennis Espino yung galaw ni Stephen Howard partner. That double team of Santa Lucia, if it's gonna come to stop Howard, it should go towards his strong side, no? Not away from his strong side because you know Howard is gonna go to his left.
And who's gonna finish strong in this quarter, mga kaibigan, ng second quarter? It was Santa Lucia. This time it's shaping up to be San Miguel Beer. Dennis Espino firing, missing. Marlo Aquino grabbing the rebound. Marlo, he was hacked from behind by Stephen Howard.
Tama yung tawag partner and Howard knew it. But he gave up a hard foul, partner, no?
Yes, and pangatlo yan para dito sa kay Stephen Howard. At alam mo, Kinito, binabagit mo hard foul. Pagdating ng championship talaga, wala nang mga tiki-tak fouls na binibigay. Talagang hard na. At
yung mararamdaman mo talaga. At pag-iisipan mo, next time you go up for a shot.
Mamula-mula pa. Bababa ka. And here's Marlo while missing his first free throw.
Patuloy din yung balasa ng tao.
Yes.
No? You see Coach Joseph Vichico always looking for fresh legs on the floor to be able to maintain yung kanilang momentum at saka yung running game.
Pumasok si Freddy Abuto to replace Nick Velasco. I look at the numbers of Marlo Aquino. Hindi matadagdagan yun. Stephen Howard saving that ball for San Miguel. We're approaching the final minute of the third quarter, mga kaibigan. At apat po ang kalamangan dito ng San Miguel, 49-45.
2 big misses there by Marlo Aquino, partner, on a situation where he could have gone for the easy 2 points.
Danny Seagal. It's Victoria. 3-pointer, too short. That was from PLDT IDD range. Under a minute to play. Ay, nakatake naman dito ang Santa Lucia.
Diba, partner, because si Marlo is so offense conscious, huh? He really wants to attack
bagsak si Stephen Howard doon. May pito.
He really wants to attack the defense of Howard. And sure enough, nakakuha na naman siya.
Pang-apat na yan. Itong si Stephen Howard. Malaking isda. Nahuli na naman doon ni Marlo Aquino.
Delikado na ito si Howard. You see, Marlo is really going strong against Stephen Howard.
Yes, as we take a look at this. Marlo Aquino against Stephen Howard. At
Ano kaya?
so 2 free throws
Saan yung
na
contact
dito kay Stephen kay Marlo Aquino.
Ayun ako kung nasan yung foul doon, partner. Ha?
Hinahanap mo ha.
Hinahanap ko doon.
And here's Marlo Aquino.
Bumitaw nga yung defense ni Howard, but I thought he was trying to avoid the contact. Pero maganda rin yung acting job ni Marlo Aquino. Parang tinamaan siya, no? That's why he went off balance. But that's part of the game, partner. No? If you can get away with it, why not? Ito si Stephen Howard ngayon, papalitan ni Coach Joseph Vichico, which is a good move. less than a minute to go dito sa ating third period. Apat na foul na to.
Yes, dagdag na minutong pahinga pa yan para kay Stephen
Yes.
Howard. At worst, again, makamari pa yung panglimang personal foul. And Marlo Aquino,
Continuing to miss from the
Yes.
free throw line.
missing miserably from the 4.5-meter line. And here's Boy Beats Victoria with a game clock. Winding down dito po sa ating third quarter.
Ito na naman si Danny, partner, no? Itong San Miguel is in the penalty. Ang Santa Lucia, wala pa sila sa penalty. That is now the 15th foul of Santa Lucia.
Yes, at pangatlong foul. At si Marlo Aquino. Uupo muna. Meanwhile, ito panoorin natin itong si Stephen Howard as he shoots the ball downwards. Kung konti lang nakakagawa yung shooting the ball downward.
Oo.
Slam dunk ko ang ibig sabihin nun. And that was a no fear slam coming from Stephen Howard. Danny Siegel forcing that one.
Ito medyo pinipilit na ni Danny Siegel, no?
He's still looking for his baskets or his points. Meron lamang ang napuntos itong si Danny Siegel.
Very, very quiet night for Danny Siegel.
Only 8 seconds remaining sa third quarter. Chris Tan. For the three-pointer. Ito pa para kay Borbis Victoria. Medyo kumilya sa kanan itira ni Borbis Victoria. Pero dyan po magtatapos ang ating third quarter mga kaibigan. San Miguel 49, Santa Lucia 45. Get set.